Quick question. Do you ever feel like the year just slips away and your money is gone before you even realize it? You're not alone. Most people don't plan their finances ahead, and that's why bills, unexpected expenses, and missed opportunities pile up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plan your finances for the next 12 months so you can take control of your money, save consistently, and make smarter financial decisions without stress or complicated systems. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. This channel is all about helping you make smarter, calmer, and more confident decisions with your money. We break down personal finance into simple, practical lessons: saving, investing, budgeting, debt management, credit, and building long-term wealth. No hype, no complicated jargon, just clear strategies you can actually use to grow and protect your money. If that sounds like your kind of advice, make sure you're subscribed. Let's start with why planning your finances for the next 12 months is so important. Most people think budgeting is just about cutting costs, but the truth is, financial planning is about clarity and control. When you plan ahead, you can see all your income and expenses clearly, anticipate big payments like insurance or annual subscriptions, save for goals like vacations or investments, and avoid surprises that stress your budget. Think of it like a roadmap. You're not just hoping for the best, you're steering your money in the direction you want it to go. The first thing you want to do is calculate your total income for the month. This includes your salary after taxes, any side income or freelance work, and any other predictable income. Write it down. For example, main salary, $5,000, side income, $500, total monthly income, $5,500. Knowing this number gives you the foundation for all your financial decisions. Next, track and categorize your expenses so you know exactly where your money is going. Break your expenses into categories like rent or mortgage, $1,500, utilities, $300, groceries, $600, transportation, $200, entertainment and eating out, $300, debt payments, $700, savings and investments, $500. Seeing everything in categories helps you spot unnecessary spending and opportunities to save. Now divide your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Variable expenses include groceries, entertainment, hobbies, and dining out. Understanding this difference helps you control spending without feeling restricted. You'll know how much is flexible each month. Once your income and expenses are clear, it's time to set financial goals for the year. Your goals could include building an emergency fund, $6,000, saving for a vacation, $2,000, investing, $5,000 into retirement accounts or stocks, paying off high-interest debt, $3,000. Break each goal down into monthly targets. For example, if your vacation goal is $2,000, you'd save roughly $167 per month. Now combine all of this into a simple 12-month budget. For each month, list your income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings, and debt payments. This allows you to see the full year at a glance, plan for seasonal expenses, and avoid last-minute surprises. Example monthly snapshot. Income, $5,500. Fixed, $2,700. Variable, $1,300. Savings, $1,000. Debt repayment, $500. Monthly leftover, $0. Everything is planned, nothing wasted. Planning is great, but execution is key. Automate where possible. Automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts. Automatic bill payments for fixed expenses. Track your progress monthly. Check what went according to plan and adjust for any unexpected expenses. This keeps your plan realistic and flexible. Life changes, and so should your plan. Every 3 months, review your budget. Compare actual spending versus planned. Adjust goals if needed. Reallocate funds if something unexpected came up. This ensures your financial plan stays accurate and achievable. Finally, here are some common mistakes to avoid so your financial plan actually works. Planning too rigidly. Life happens. Ignoring variable expenses. Surprises appear. Forgetting annual payments. Insurance, subscriptions, taxes. Not reviewing your progress. No control. Remember, the goal is consistency and awareness, not perfection. Here's what you can do today to get started. Write down your total income. List and categorize all expenses. Set 1 to 3 clear financial goals for the year. Build a simple 12-month budget. Track and adjust monthly. Planning your finances for the next 12 months doesn't have to be stressful. With clarity and small steps, you can take full control of your money. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and comment below. What's your #1 financial goal for the next 12 months? I'll see you in the next video.